Once upon a time, in a small seaside village, lived a little fish named Timmy. Timmy was not like the other fish. He had a special gift. He could make waves with just a flick of his tail. One day, Timmy noticed something unusual. The sea was dull and lifeless. The coral reefs were bare, and the fish were gone. Timmy felt a pang in his heart. He knew something was wrong. Determined to help, Timmy swam to the surface and started to create waves. Wave after wave, he splashed and danced, bringing life back to the sea. The coral reefs started to bloom, and the fish returned. The villagers were amazed and grateful. They thanked Timmy for his kindness and bravery. Timmy smiled, but he knew he couldn't take all the credit. He had help from something special. That something special was the power of hope. Timmy realized that when we believe in ourselves and have hope, we can make a difference. And so, Timmy continued to wave, spreading hope and life to the sea, day after day. As the sun set, Timmy swam back to his home, happy and fulfilled. He knew he had made a difference, and that was all that mattered. From that day on, he became known as the Wishing Wave, the little fish who brought life to the sea with the power of hope. So remember, little ones, when you feel small and helpless, remember Timmy the Wishing Wave. Believe in yourself, have hope, and you can make a difference too. Good night, and sweet dreams.